Hey guys, in this video we're gonna look at a new feature which lets you style each of your element in your calculator individually. So let's dive in and see how it works. So previously we had a design tab which lets you customize themes, which lets you change themes, but now it's called theme tab and it works exactly the same way. You also see you have a design tab. So what's changed here is now design tab allow you to design and style each of your elements. So once you click on any element and you go over to your design tab, you'll see its settings. You can change the spacing of your element. So let's say if I want to make this spacing near none, I can do that. And you can also change colors of your design. You can change this background color to be red and so on. You can also reset these design changes. Say if I want to go to this button, and if I want to change this background color to be this one, and just change this button color to be this. So there are a lot of possibilities that you can do here. So you get the idea. Now let's get back to our theme tab, formerly known as the design tab. And you can still apply the themes the same way, but you will notice a slight difference once you apply a theme. And since we made custom design changes to this specific element, it stays the same way. But if you want to reset these styles altogether, what you can do is apply and reset style, and which will also reset the style of your each of your elements and apply the new theme. And one last thing, now here is the even cool bit. So in the design tab, let's again change the design of this element. I want to copy this background. I want to also add it here. Let's just make it white, and we can also make it a full width button. Now what we can do here is we can go over to the tablet, or we can go over to the mobile devices. It stays the same way, but we can do here, we can change the style of mobile device only, and let's just go back to our tablet. It stays the same way. The blue one, the desktop is still the blue one, but the mobile device is now so this is all for this video, and I'll see you next time.